Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and in this video I'm going to give you a super magical exercise that will help you understand everything at once. But what does this exercise give you? It gives us an understanding of how to actually apply twang, because twang is some unpleasant, unclear sound, and it's not clear to how to actually use it in singing, how to apply it in singing. Everyone knows that twang is a baby crying sound or a duck sound, like wah, wah, or wah, wah, like this. But how to apply this in singing? This exercise gives us an understanding how to do it, and also it teaches us to control the twang. As a result, we learn to easily hit high notes, and more importantly, we get the skill of adding this position instantly as the note gets higher. We get the skill of adding this position as we move in our range. So what do? We take 3 steps of a major scale, and we sing the first step in our normal voice, and we sing the 3rd step applying this twangy position like a duck or a baby crying, like wah, 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 or wah, wah. And we transition gradually. We try to remember and feel what's happening everywhere between. That's the focus here. So let's start. For example, we take 3 notes. We apply this twangy position. And then we gradually move between our normal position and this twangy position. Wah, 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 wah. Like this. If you don't need this much, you can add less of this position. And this exercise also helps you transition and add more or less of this position and feel as you add it more or less, because you start in your normal voice and stop with the maximum. Thank you for watching. Write your questions. For individual lessons, feel free to contact me. The links are in the description below.